Welcome to CS Karthikeyan YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see what is the basic qualification for assistant professor. So after 2021 there is a lot of crisis among research scholars and educational personalities whether PhD is mandatory or NET or SET or SLET is mandatory. So I take up this video for the clarification of what is the best or criteria for appointing professor in university and colleges at present level. So in this particular press information bureau is stated in June 2018, June 30th, there is a newsletter to the public. So I will tell about all the nuances of this at present level criteria based on the 2018 press release bureau. Before going too deep into the video, subscribe my channel, press bell button, click all for notification, share with your friends the link to your friends and family for subscribing more, and share with your friends also. So highlights of minimum qualification for appointing professors or teachers in universities and colleges, measurement for maintenance for standard in higher education. So in that period, Sri Prakash Chavadekar, who announced this press release, PhD degree will be mandatory for direct appointment to assistant professor in universities and colleges too. So in college, in university, there must be a PhD is mandatory in first line. So in order to attract, retain best quality teachers and academic performance, there is a lot of changes in higher education. So addressing the highlight regulations are the incentive to teachers as provided in the earlier regulation 2010 and subsequent amendments have been retained. These include incentives for PhD and MPhil. So MPhil incentive has been Amendment Act after 2021. They said in 2018 itself. API based BBAS system has been removed. So annual performance indicator has been removed for promoting assistant professor to associate professor to professor cadre. So a simplified teacher evaluation grading system has been introduced and research score added for universities to improve their research output. So promotion criteria for CAS for university teachers has been made more research oriented, while in the case of college teachers, so university teachers observed for more research programs than college professors teachers. CAS criteria is more focused on teaching. For the first time, provision and promotion in colleges will be up to professor level. In 2018, even 2021, before June itself, in Indian colleges have only the higher promotion from assistant professor to associate professor. In this criteria, they give a associate professor and then they give a professor cadre to the college level. So special provision for recruitment in of assistant professor in universities and colleges for PhD degree holders from university and institution in the top 500 global rankings has been made. So they have a ranking system, NIRF, that kind of thing, and regulation mandated introduction of 1 month induction program for newly recruited assistant professor in universities, colleges and higher education institutions. So there is a mandatory program for 1 month induction program for orientation program, and PhD degree has been made mandatory for promotion to assistant professor selection grade in colleges from 1/7/2021. So July 1 itself, PhD degree will be mandatory for recruitment to assistant professor in universities. There is an underline, universities and for the first time weightage are assigned for CAS in respect of MOOCs and e-content in university and colleges. So weightage for MOOC, so ICT tools, using ICT tools, especially media teaching has developed in e-content level, e-learning. So in university and colleges, that is the first time introduced in different levels. Even before the COVID-19 coronavirus spread out outbreak, they have found that e-content is the one of the most globally connected interconnected education for the future level. So research scholar will be created in the university within the state for sharing research facilities, skills, infrastructure to ensure optimal utilization of resources, creating synchronities amongst higher education institutions. Oh, so that is different. And 10% existing sanctioned strength of professors in university shall be appointed, senior professors, and all these things. Then we have next important point. Universities will accord permission, provide need-based facilities to colleges, teachers to supervise MPhil and PhD scholars. Special category of medal winners in Olympics, Asian Games, and Commonwealth Games in eligibility criteria for assistant director, college director, physical education, sports, and deputy director, physical education, sports in universities has been made to promote sports in universities and colleges. So after winning Olympic Games or any other Asian Games, the gold medalist or any kind of a medalist who are allowed to work in any Indian universities to be as a director and physical education master post. So the final note is PhD degree shall be mandatory recruitment for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in university with the effect from 1st July 2020. Today date is July 15. However, master degree with NET or PhD will be continued to be the minimum eligibility recruitment for direct recruitment to the post of assistant professor in colleges. So now we have clear the doubt that if you want to work assistant professor in universities, you must have PhD as a mandatory degree. So in colleges there is a slight different. Either they allow PhD or NET set holder also they allow to assistant professor direct recruitment. So the one thing is very clear: for university, PhD is mandatory in 2021 July 1st itself. For colleges, the minimum category is still the same. Either you are a PhD holder, you are allowed to recruit in any other colleges as an assistant professor, or the minimum degree qualification is SLET or SET or NET. The holders may recruit for direct appointment for any institution for applied recruitment. So this is a clear idea that this is the notification already said in July 13, 2018. So Prakash Javadekar, minister, already told this. At present it is implemented. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you post in comment, and if you wanted to do any other video topic like this, you suggest some videos in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, press bell button for more notification. Thank you so much.